Hey guys, today's tune of the week is Something Stupid.
Pierre!
No, I mean, that's what it's called, Something Stupid. Anyway, I'll be playing it on the Traveling Fiddle, and you can get more information on the Traveling Fiddle. And if you'd like to host the Traveling Fiddle, I'll leave the information under this video so you can sign up for it as well. Okay, we're going to perform this as the Fiddler Shop Quartet or Trio with Manuel on the drums, so you hear what it sounds like, and then I'll jump right into the lesson. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 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 And that's it. Going through the piece, it's in the key of F. And I play open strings on the tutorial for the beginners, but if you can play the fingered notes, they are more appropriate sometimes, like the fourth finger instead of the open D, because they match better. An open string compared to the dampened sound of a fingered string, there's a difference. So, and I put the up bow on the F, two up bows in a row, simply so that you can end on a diminishing note. The weight of the bow is lighter on the tip, so frequently it's better to diminish on a down bow. Going on. string there. And if you like, you could put a slur there. But put the up bow on the G so that you're on a down bow at the end. And then going on. Or easier. Because if you use the fourth finger, you don't have to cross the strings. Going on. 26. Going on 30 with the pickup. 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Going on 38. 2, 3, 4. So in this case, I don't want to play the fourth finger because I'd have to cross. So instead, I don't press as hard on the open A. And at 42, that's another place where using the fourth finger is much better. Not only does it not stick out, but you don't have to cross strings. With all the pickups, have a determined speed in advance of the bow, and don't press too hard. Keep the bow close to the string. Connect the notes. And then keep it close on the crossing here. And there's not much to it than that. Thanks so much for watching.